Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create squeeze page in Systeme.io. First you have to log into your Systeme.io profile here, and then you will land it on the dashboard. Then at the top you will find some options here. You just need to click on website, and here you will find sales funnel. From here you just need to click on create, and here you can name this funnel, and here is the funnel domain for you that you have set it on your account. And from here you can choose your funnel goals. There are 4 goals available to select. I'm going to select one. I'm going to select this first one. Now from here select a currency. Now I'm going to select euro from here, and now I'm going to set a name. For example, I'm going to set a name like test, and now click on save. And here you can see I have saved a funnel. I have created a funnel on my account. Now simply click on this funnel, and you will find that the first one is squeeze page. Simply you can click on 3 dot to duplicate this page, or and you can see the details about the squeeze page, and you can find here some awesome templates available for your squeeze page. You can preview this template, or you can select this template. Now I'm going to select it, and now from here you can name it. For now it is named by squeeze page. You can name anything you want, and this is the URL path for your squeeze page of your website. And you also can edit this URL path from here. You just need to simply click on squeeze page and click on edit page to edit your squeeze page on your website. I'm going to click on edit page here, and here you can see you can edit or customize your squeeze page according to your needs. You can change image, your text, your scroll motion, animation, you can add slides. Just simply click on save changes after make a change on your page, and then the save will change on your page. Now you can also click on view funnel to view your squeeze page here. That's how you can create a squeeze page in Systeme.io. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.